Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Chubby and Mrs. Tan at Sweet-Haus in Chesnee, South Carolina. Man, I tell you, we've been filming tiny houses for 2 or 3 days now. This is like number 16, and I think it might be the last one before we point the van home. But this one you're going to love. We kind of saved the best for last. This one is one, I say this a lot lately, the last couple of days. I don't even remember, but constantly say our favorite tiny house so far, but and this one's getting really close to the top notch. Really like this house from Sweet-Haus, and we're going to take you on a tour of it. But first, Mrs. Tammy is going to walk around the exterior, give you a show outside, let you see that 11 foot by 11 foot 6 porch on the front with the Trex deck, and then you're going to come back in. I'm going to show you around the inside. You guys, hang in there. We'll see you in just a couple minutes. Hey guys, welcome back inside. Now, you probably noticed outside this RV park model looks a lot like any we filmed anywhere else. Looks like some of the Averys. It looks like some of the Phoenix. It looks like some of the Clayton. It looks like some of the other brands we've shown you. But on the inside, it's noticeable differences. So I'm going to go through and point some of those out. This home is, again, like most of their frames, 11 foot wide, 34 or so foot long. So that's what you're dealing with. RV industry standard seal of approval. And this is the great room, the main room. Got the two large sliding windows in this home. These things are massive. 5 foot 8 inches. They are huge. Two of them, one on each side. You got your door here with, this is a full view glass with the blinds inside that you can slide up and close. Got your Mitsubishi upgrade silver mini split unit, and you got these cool cage style ceiling fan lights combos in here. This room, roughly from here to the kitchen, 9 foot 11 inches, let's say 10 foot. Over here at the kitchen, we showed you this in another home a couple days ago at Tiny Life Homes. You may or may not have seen that video yet, but this home has that really cool finished granite with the texture. So I call it like a football texture, but it's not exactly football. But it's black. It's really cool. Underneath, two doors, so you can access lots of storage in that cabinet, and it's not going to waste of space. Now the countertop is three. Well, I don't want to say three. About 2.5 foot wide. Not really made to be hanging over to put stools, but you really don't need it in this house because this room, 10 foot by 11 foot, you can configure a small dinette plus plenty of places. Put your television there, put your couch wherever you want, and you're still going to have plenty of place to eat. But you can still sit here and eat casually. Not, you got to be careful not to spill your cereal on you in the morning. But other than that, let's roll around this way real quick and point out a couple of features. We've got a really nice staircase going up to the loft, which we'll tour at the end of the video. It's got the galvanized piping fixtures as the handrails, very sturdy, very heavy duty. We've got a closet here. What do you think's in there? Take a guess. No closet? Hot water heater? Nah. This is where your stackable is. Now, Tiny House does a lot of homes with just the combo unit, and you can put that in there too if you wanted, and then put you a hanger up here or more shelves and do that. But right here is where they put this GE white stackable unit with a shelf above to put your detergents and your dryer sheets. Now let's go through the kitchen. One nice feature, you have a receptacle right here, which is ground fault interrupt. You've got all solid wood cabinets, soft closed drawers and doors. Access all of these. Another thing they like to do, they will send you home with touch-up paint, quarts of touch-up paint numbered. Got a little koozie on there, so you can touch up anything that needs fixed. This home doesn't have a range. This has a 2-burner gas. Now, one of the last videos we put up of a Haven at Phoenix had a 2-burner electric, and someone had just commented, I just read the comment the other day, about I would need a hood or a vent for my burner. And I was like, well, maybe, maybe not, like if you're boiling cabbage or something. But they have went ahead and put a really nice vent hood in here for you. So that's a really neat feature. Got your lights, got several fan speeds, timer, lights on and off. Really cool. So let's go on back through. One of the nice features they put these small Haier 18-inch dishwashers in most of their homes. This home right here has, like many of their others, and we'll put you some links to some of their other videos that we've done, really upgrade on the kitchen sink area. They have a apron stainless black sink. This one has all those little nice things that come in the sink. This is an Arusk sink. It comes with your vegetable strainer, your cutting board, and right in here is your rolled dish thing that rolls across. Dry your dishes. And a really nice upgraded faucet, Springer faucet with a sprayer, and another faucet here to run your water. And as we come on back through the kitchen, a couple of nice exposed shelves here, another light that matches your ceiling fan in the front. This home has lots of cabinet space. To Tammy's right here, we have shelves under the steps, storage space. You can use that as a pantry or to put your tchotchkes, whatever you would like. Before we go into the bathroom, I want to conclude this kitchen. This one has an amazing, amazing double oven look, but in reality, this is your oven, and here is your microwave. Pull-out drawer microwave. Really neat. Never seen that before. Got a self-closing feature to it. Cabinet above your refrigerator. Again, your Haier top and bottom refrigerator with the double doors for the refrigerator and 2 drawers for your freezer. Now, to your right, we go right into the bathroom, and I'm not going to go in here with Tammy. It is a little smaller bathroom than in most of their homes, but it's all you need to get the job done. 7'9" long, and going to be 4'5" across. You've got a single seat shower unit in here. You've got a double vanity, not double sink, but you've got a double size vanity, extra counter space. Same nice granite with the texture finish carrying over from the kitchen. Same cabinet. 2 exposed shelves. You've got the same light fixture that's in the kitchen. You have a medicine cabinet, and you have an exhaust fan. This is one of the few models I have seen that they make with a window in the bathroom. Most of theirs, they don't put the window in the bathroom. You got a pocket door, it's closed up. I don't want to tear the tape off and show you, but it's a pocket door. It opens and closes like pocket doors do. Now, let's walk back, go to the bedroom. This bedroom is loaded up. So I want you to come back, take a look. Very nice and cool back here. We've got a second mini split. Again, the bedroom, 11-foot wide. What they do is they do away with all this chest of drawers here, so you don't close in your bedroom. You feel like you got a lot more space than you do. This is 11 foot across this way, and this way is 9'3". But look at all the storage you get in this bedroom. This really I don't know how to I got so much going on in my mind I don't know how to explain it all. But right here, up against this wall, you've got closet space, 2 drawers, a door up here, and a place to do your hanging right here. Same thing on this side. Now these things, let me do a measurement real quick just to give the folks an idea. That's about a 2-foot cabinet. This is a 2-foot cabinet. Right here, it's kind of open for you to do what you want. You could put another dresser in here, chest of drawers. You could put a vanity if you want to do your makeup. You could put a little desk in here if you want to work from home. You can mount your TV here, plug it in here. You got to plug in there for a computer. So this is a flex space for you to do what you want. But now let's roll around to this bed. And I want you to look at this bed. First of all, note how big this bed is. This is a built-in frame for your bed. This is not a prince or princess size bed. This is not a queen size. This is a king size bed right here. Up above, you have that really cool ceiling fan, just like we saw in the main room. The length here is 6 foot 5 inches for this bed by 6 foot 7 inches that way. That is almost, I don't know, I'll put a chart in here for beds, but that's almost California king. That's big enough for Mr. Chubby to sleep on. And you get 2 drawers under each side of the bed for extra storage. These homes, and I want you to comment on this because we haven't shown a lot of homes like this, but you also get an additional storage closet for clothes, top them on the top on each side of your bed. You got your transom window with the slider, and you get your nightstand cabinet with your drawers that are soft close, of course. You don't want to have to change clothes in the middle of the night and wake up your husband. I don't know. But anyway, huge bedroom. Got the upgraded Mitsubishi mini split head unit in here and a access window. What do you call those? Get out. Egress. I was trying to say regress. Egress window to get out when you need to get out. Now, before we finish with this house and tell you the price and look at the loft, I want to ask you, if you like this content, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. If you like our content. Leave us a comment, help our channel, do what you can. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure all your friends are subscribed. Now, you've seen some neat color choices in this one. You may not like them, you can change them. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout this house. You don't like that, you want some carpet, you want something else, let them know. They can work with you and customize what you need. I haven't really talked about it too much with egress for wheelchairs and things because, like I said earlier, the folks here at at Sweet-Haus, they can modify doorways, widths, and things. You got plenty of room to do that. So they said the doors and windows are easy for them. It's plumbing and electrical stuff that really hurts things. But this door is right at 29 inches wide. So big enough to get a wheelchair into here so you could get over into bed if you needed to. So without any further ado, let's get to the price of this house and let's get to the tour of the loft. We're going to head up to the loft, show you that real quick, and give you the price of this house. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys, real quick, we're going to look at the loft. Again, it's 11 foot wide. You've got your 2 sliding windows up here and a receptacle back there connected to a switch, so you can put a little TV over there if you wanted to, and another window over here. This loft is finished with luxury vinyl plank, and you could theoretically get carpet up here if you would like, I'm sure. All you gotta do is ask the folks at Sweet-Haus. From where I'm at, right at the top of the stairs to that wall is 8 foot 2 inches. Now you get a little extra space, about a foot here and a foot here on either side of these stairs. So really about a 9 foot by 11 foot loft and in this home. And let's get, it's a flat ceiling, as you can tell, there's no angle to it. Ceiling is 3 foot 3 inches tall. So there are your dimensions and size and tour of the loft. A couple of recessed lights, and that's all you need. Now, before we go, let me tell you, like, share, subscribe again, and don't forget, I made you hang in to the end to get this price. This house, as it sets, June 2025, $128,000. All right, guys, we appreciate you watching. Have a good day, evening, night, wherever you're at watching this, and we'll see you on the next house. Thanks.